Normally, you see, this is a man's hobby. So the woman don't come. You see, we even I don't know them, when we come and hang bird here, and we meet up and we chit chat and we become friends. My name is Joe. I have about 4 birds. I've been keeping birds for the last 25 years. This is called a boo-boo. In Malay, they call it jumbo. When you bring it and you train them, they start to call and everything, with the voice and everything, so people buy because the voice is good. If these are trained bird, it can cost as high as $10,000, $15,000. It's not as cheap as you think it is. In some of the cages, you look at it, it costs $5,000, $10,000. Every day there's people playing birds. But on Sunday there's more, because on Sunday a lot of us don't work. So this is like our hobby. So we bring our birds out and then we meet up with friends, have a cup of coffee and everything. So let the bird meet their friends also. Sometimes they don't match up. So they got to move the bird to the other side so they can match up with another pair of birds, and then they start to sing and everything. You need to train them to a certain standard, like a dog. When you buy a dog, if you don't train them, they're just like that. But when you train a dog, they do a lot of tricks and everything. So it's the same like a bird.